Hey guys, welcome back to another one of my videos. Today I will be re-attempting to do that nice little malachite that I tried to do last time, but I way overdid it. And I prepared some colors here for you to see. Okay, forgive the running around and messing around, but I already mixed the colors and the time is ticking. And right now I'm using a slightly different way of filming, so you guys can better see what's going on the table in front of me. Let me know if you like this type of filming, or if you prefer the other way around that I did the last time. Let me get these gloves on, and probably I should get my watch off. Okay, so we have the nice green, we have a darker green, black, and just a smidge of clear with glitter in it, with the long needle point glitter. So this time around I mixed a little bit more resin. Well, this time around I mixed as much resin as I mixed the first time, but we have half the surface. Okay, right now I'm trying to fix the tape so it doesn't run everywhere. Okay, and let's start pouring. Okay, we're going to start with this beautiful green here. Okay, and this time around, let's see if we can do splotches. If we can't do splotches, we're gonna go back and do lines. Let's see how it behaves. It seems to be spreading, it seems to be working. Let's try and do a little more. I'm gonna do some random splotches here and there. I have some clear here that I accidentally spilled over. Okay, let's go with the black on top. These will continue to move and they will end up mixing with each other. That's a big splotch. Just random blobs here and there. Okay, now let's come back with the darker green. Yeah, they are trying to fight each other, but they're not doing what I want them to do. So I'm gonna switch to a dirty pour instead while I still can. Okay, so I added all the colors on top of each other in the big jar, except for this one, for the little sparkly bits that I want to make sure that they are gonna stay on top. Now let's remove the glasses. Okay. And now I'm gonna take the cup with all the colors mixed together, and I'm going to randomly pour it on the table. Now that I have all the resin on the table, I will take my my hair dryer and I will start moving the resin around so that it covers all the empty spaces. If I would have done a grease coat before putting the resin, it will have leveled itself out, but now we have a lot of dry spots that the resin can't go around to. So what we're gonna do is that we're gonna take this hair dryer, put it on high, and we're just gonna push it around with the warm air like this. See? we get the resin as close to itself as we can on the dry spots and everything. Try to keep it away from the edge. Okay, get it closer and closer to the edge. I know I keep going outside of the... Sorry about that. Okay, so I'm stopping that for now, and I'm just going with my finger and touching the dry spots to remove the tension, surface tension, and then the epoxy, as it levels out, it will flow to that space as well. Okay, level it out. Now we take the pretty glitter and we start doing veins, like, nope, not like that. Let's try this. So all the glitter is on the surface now, and just put it in there randomly. get more on this edge here. You see how it shines through here and there, just a little bit of sparkle, just enough to make it nice. We have the blue background poking up here and there. Nice little nebula. Okay, so black and green, a little bit of blue, and it came out beautiful. You see, we have these spots here that I don't like because you can see that they're big drips. So I'm just gonna take my finger and do like that, and that will create some interest. It will create a vein, it will create a certain flow. We have drips here as well. We can take them. Okay, so now we have created these flow patterns in the stone. And as time passes, it continues to move around and create more and more interest as it does. Okay, again, we started with a malachite base, and we ended up with something that I think is super duper cool. Especially those veins that formed with the passing of my finger on top of them. Ooh, that's a really nice web, and I think I'm gonna leave it just like that. I am super happy with it, guys. What do you think? Okay, let me know in the comments below if you like it or not. What would you do different? What else would you do with it? I'm gonna leave it as is. Okay? For the edges, I didn't do anything else but taping them, because this is a sample piece and I don't want to waste time with it, and I don't want to waste materials with it. If you want to know how to do the edges, just ask me to do a separate thing on the edges, and there are also a million and one ways to see that. There's stone coat, there's RK3 designs. They show you a lot of edge techniques, how to do them: smooth, round, rock face edge, so on and so forth. So that depends on the client, what it wants. Me, oh man, I love this web. I love this spider web. It's a galactic spider web, huh? Okay, so this is all for today, guys. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to keep the internet alive, and come see me on the next one. Thanks, and bye-bye.